Hey designers! Welcome to this Photoshop tutorial on creating text blending with a smoke background step-by-step guide. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the exciting process of blending text seamlessly into a smoke background using Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a more experienced designer looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you master the techniques you need to create stunning and professional text effects. You'll learn how to add a dynamic smoke background, how to use layer blending options to merge the text into the scene, and how to work with masking tools to make everything look natural and flawless. This tutorial is perfect for anyone wanting to add a dramatic, cinematic effect to their designs, whether you're working on a poster, social media graphic, or any creative project. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to make text effortlessly blend into any smoky atmosphere, and you'll be able to experiment with these techniques to create even more amazing effects. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more about Photoshop tips, tricks, and creative design techniques, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and let's jump into the creative process.